And it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, being kind of insane because it's going to be 90 today. And I'm hoping that I can use that little red cup as soon as I get some paint in there. I'm going to make some ring pours, and I'm going to use a pre-primed dry black, matte black canvas. And I'm going to try and remember to put some, that's white pearl. There are my glasses. Cool. Ha. I put the wrong color in first. Never mind. Go figure. Anyway, so back to the problem at hand. Wow, those are strong glasses. Not my usual pair, actually. So I'm going to try and make two different color combination cups, but we'll see how that works and how I like that. Because so far I've got red, white, and blue, which is not really what I intended. And okay, so let's move on from there. I see another color. And I'm just going to keep adding colors and try and add white in between. You can see I put a little tape on the lip. I have occasional, I have occasional trouble with dribbling down the inside of the cup. Yes, I'm just going to a color I want, which is, I just mixed that color today. That was an Art Minds color, and then I put some golden magenta in it, and it zhuzhed it up really nicely. Just a little magenta goes a long way. So I've almost got one of these ready, and I'm going to go ahead and give myself permission to do the other one. I actually managed to get it close to the spout, which is amazing. I almost never remember to get that in the right place. So we'll see how close I can come to remembering to use different sets of colors. I didn't use any gold in the last one because I think the gold sinks, especially when it's hot out. This is my gold mica powder. I may have to go back for the summer to using something else, but if you're indoors it should work fine. It's on the Amazon link below the video, along with my OXO omelet turning spatulas and my many Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas. And if you guys ever need a link, just ask, please, because I'm happy to. Okay, I can't help myself. I just want that color in there. And I'm going to give myself permission. I think if I do this, that'll be something interesting. I don't know if I shook the other color that I'd like to use. I think I'll just put a little of that magenta in there too. I want some purple, some different purple. This is another Art Minds purple color. That looks like just about enough of everything that I want. I'm not sure that was a necessary color addition, but it's there now, so I'm not going to worry about it. Let's see what else I want to stick in there. Anything else? I think the gold will disappear. Either that or it'll be around the outside edge. Either way, it'll be good. No, I'm just incapable of stopping. I want something other over here that's out of the ordinary. I never did go get my red. My red-orange is what I wanted. So I think I'm gonna, and it's open. Cool. I take the caps off my bottles now before I shake them, because if I leave the caps on and I pull the caps off and then I try and open them, then I get a face full. Which is amusing for you hearing me tell you that, but not as amusing for me having it happen to me. So let's get this paint out of here and grab my, ooh, there's a color that I like right there that I didn't use. And sometimes the more obnoxious the colors, the better. Really and truly. Don't ask me why, but I don't actually find those colors very obnoxious either. I like them. So this is unusual, and it's going to be strange. Let's start right in the middle. Oh no, that did not work. Okay, well, moving on. Next. It is what it is. And it's not what I was hoping for, but it'll still be cool, I'm pretty sure. So, lesson learned about the tape. Yeah, just not right. How about over there? I may have to stay out here and do another painting since I have plenty of paint. And these are not necessarily what I would refer to as ring pours. I do like going in and adding a little puddle in between, for certain. And then whatever else strikes my fancy, like Prussian blue. What else? I wonder if I can keep the gold at a center. I have quite the breeze going, which is actually a good thing considering how warm it is. I've already merged a few things I wasn't expecting to merge. I am going to put some orange in this other cup. And then I'm going to try and find a way to cover. Okay, so I got a double ring pour there. That's interesting. I wish I could take that tape off, honestly. And I'm liking the orange much more than I thought, but it's in the wrong cup for pouring. I guess straight down is just going to be the way it goes. Could be worse. I'm happy it's not. I'm still hopeful I can get something I want out of this. I'll take some of my little acetate cards and cover my paint cups so that they don't congeal too badly. And then I'm trying to do simple stuff these days. Wow, you know what? I really want to add some black or some gold. I think it's going to be the gold. Because I've tried the black before. And I don't know if the gold is going to stay or not. I think we deserve to find out. And it is really hot out here, so this is maybe not the typical reaction of what would happen if we were indoors. Just because. Now, I may have to use an edge catcher. We're not going to get... I mean, hey, I'm done. That's cool. I'm afraid I'm probably not going to get what I'm expecting. I really want to just blow that out, and I can't. What can I do? I can make sure I don't wear skirts with ties at the waist. I guess I'm just going to Catapillar it. And hope for the best. I'm liking what that gold is doing, actually. I have no silicone in my stuff. I'm going to use one of my little cards, my acetate cards, and let some of my paint roll down. And then throw it back in again. And I may have to turn that the other way. This is sort of a variation. This is a ring pour variation on my my recent endeavors to make simple art out of shovels and dustpans. It does make me want to continue to experiment, though. Like in what will happen if I put some paint in some very specific locations, hoping that that extra paint will make things run. I kind of want that to go over there. I'm going to cheat. I'm going to try and cheat. Wow, how did my timer get all the way over there? How far can I cheat and have things stay looking like they manifested with everything else? I don't know. But there's really no limit to the colors I will allow myself to put on here if I want. Or the things I can manipulate inside those colors if I want. Because that's kind of cool. I like that. I could do that again pretty easily. Or I could do something entirely different. But so long as the color is something that I like, I think I'm in good shape. Yeah, it sort of makes me want to just keep moving down the line and do that some more. I don't think I need to do very much. And I really like that pink. But I also like the black I used the last time, and it was pretty dramatic. So I'm very tempted. Just to keep experimenting. Whoops, I went over. And who knows what will happen when I tip that. And of course this black is not the same as the matte black, so it will be shiny. And other things are not. So that's cool. Can I keep any of it if I tip it? What will happen when I tip it? Can I spread it? Should I spread it? Do I need a clean skewer every time? These are questions that need to be answered. I like just leading it down in. That's pretty cool. I'm going to be a little careful about these other areas because I'd like that to be a little rounder actually. Cool experiment. Ooh, that was kind of cool too. Maybe a few lines in the black won't hurt anything. I think I like them. Makes me think I might get away with doing it on the other side too. We have a lot of happy birds, and then every once in a while there's somebody who's not happy because somebody else thinks their babies are food. Go figure. I could spiral that out. Yeah, I could. I thought I was going to be sorry about that, but I'm not. Unapologetically not. We got some nice cells. Right in here and a few other places. That's kind of cool. I really, really do like this. It's a pretty simple concept. I think I'm going to do it over here. Because I can. Oh, that's the name of my book on the Amazon link. Which is right below the video. Got that blue there already. So I really don't know if I need... Yeah, didn't finish my sentence. I know. Sorry. Focus! Try not to make a mess. I want all of that to tip down that way, but I really don't want... Do I really? I'm not sure. Maybe I changed my mind. I kind of like that. Okay, so we're going to just lead paint around a little faster than last time. And I'm liking all of that. That's kind of fun. I'm probably going to tip it and lose all of them, but oh well. And as long as I'm dipping my flat end of the skewer right down into the paint, I can make little black trails that are really pretty neat. I like them a lot. And you don't have to be anything but abstract. And I am going, skewers gone wild. I do amuse myself occasionally. That was kind of messed up. Never mind. how far do I want to go with this? It's too much fun playing with the skewer, making those marks, I gotta say. Might be sorry, I might not. I know that the paint is drying because I can see it creating interesting marks. I could just drag those all the way across very easily. That's neat. For a first experiment in this particular genre, that's pretty neat. I like it. I'm losing it now. I'm going crazy. Well, it didn't take us that long. I've got 50 seconds left to tell you guys that I sell my artwork, so inquire through YouTube, and I'll have 2 minutes in it after the timer goes off. I've got Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook albums at the bottom of the description under the paint pouring recipe that's underneath the video. And if you have a hard time finding the Facebook albums, it's because you probably have to join the group that's called Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors. Ooh, I want that little black, that little colored dot to become one with everything else. Because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon link, where you can find the gold mica powder and lots of other cool toys and lots of paint and canvases and everything that you'll need to do this if you want to, as well as my book. I don't think we're going to need those 2 minutes. I do want to use up this other paint, and I did leave it uncovered, darn. Okay, so what else? There's usually prizes if you are a contributor to help support Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. You guys have kept me painting in the past, so thank you very much to everybody who's ever contributed. And when I get my act together, there will be a video on the end screens where you can also find my website in the last 20 seconds where the playlist, where my playlist shares over 500 videos, should you be interested. I need to ask you guys a favor. The longer you watch my videos, if you want to be of assistance to me, that is, the longer you watch my videos, the better my chance I have of making an income. And I really need a thumbs up, because both of those things tell the YouTube algorithm that I'm fabulous, according to you guys, and that will help me share my work with more people. More people will see it and get to enjoy it, and this is what it is. And the only thing that I really want to do is tip some more, but I'm not sure that's a good idea, but I'm doing it anyway. And you guys are going to be gone, and the paint is moving really slowly, but it's really cool, really pretty colors. And if I was willing to put some more black paint out in some of these directions, I think I could probably make some spirals or some, yes, I think I like that. So, I can do all kinds of new stuff that I didn't know I could do before, and now you can too. And I want to, and I don't have that much time left, which is kind of a bummer. But I'll just keep doing this until I run out of time. How about that? I like pulling those little things out. And that's just 1 minute left, and you guys will be gone. Thank you for joining me. What else do I need to tell you? I have a book. I said that already. Never mind. I do give lessons at the house, at the gallery. I want to say thank you for all the great comments you guys leave me. You cheer me up every day. I really appreciate that. I think a few spirals in there isn't going to hurt anything. I know somebody in the audience is going, we knew it was coming. I can't live without spirals. They're the sign of a good life. What can I say? Some of them are more subtle than others. I'm not going too crazy. Short trip anyway. I love you guys. There's probably 60,000 of you subscribers now, and I want to say thank you for that. I really appreciate it. And this was fun, and I'm going to torch, and you're going to be gone, and we torch to release the bubbles in the paint. And this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard saying I love you guys. See you soon.